IKEA's global success isn't due to a single secret, but rather a brilliantly interconnected system of strategies that reinforce each other. It's a masterclass in creating a unique and self-perpetuating business model. The secret can be broken down into several key pillars. 1. The democratic design philosophy, the core engine. This is IKEA's fundamental principle, the filter through which every product must pass. It consists of 5 dimensions that must be balanced. Form, the product must look good and be modern. Function, it must work well and be practical. Quality, it must be durable and reliable for its intended use. Sustainability, it should have a minimal environmental impact. Low price, this is the non-negotiable cornerstone. The magic is in the balance. IKEA doesn't just make cheap furniture, it uses clever design and massive scale to make good-looking, functional furniture affordable. Achieving a low price forces innovation in the other 4 areas. 2. The IKEA way of cost control and supply chain mastery. This is where the low price is engineered. IKEA is essentially a logistics and manufacturing company that sells furniture. Flat packing, this is the most visible tactic. It saves on storage, shipping, and labor costs. Shipping air is expensive. It also transfers the final assembly cost to the customer. Vertical integration, IKEA owns its own manufacturing facilities, like Swedwood, for key components, controlling costs and supply. Massive scale and bargaining power, as one of the world's largest furniture buyers, IKEA can demand the lowest possible prices from its thousands of suppliers. Killing the king mentality, a famous internal mantra. If a product becomes too expensive due to material costs, designers are tasked with completely reimagining it to hit the original low price point, even if it means changing the design fundamentally. Optimized logistics, their packaging and store layouts are designed like a warehouse, minimizing handling. 3. The unique and psychological in-store experience. The store itself is a powerful marketing and sales tool. The IKEA maze, the prescribed pathway, ensures customers see every single department and are exposed to fully decorated showrooms, sparking inspiration and driving impulse purchases. I need that candle holder to complete the look. The psychology of effort and reward, the IKEA effect. This is a crucial psychological principle. Studies have shown that consumers place a disproportionately high value on products they partially created. The act of assembling the furniture yourself builds a sense of pride and attachment, making you love the product more. Problem-solving showrooms, they don't just show furniture, they show solutions to small spaces, family life, and storage problems, making the products feel essential. The Swedish restaurant and food market, the iconic meatballs and affordable food serve 2 purposes. They keep people in the store longer, a day out, and create a positive, memorable experience that associates the IKEA brand with a good feeling. 4. Powerful and consistent brand identity. IKEA has cultivated a brand that feels both global and Swedish. Scandinavian design ethos, the clean, simple, and functional aesthetic has universal appeal. It's perceived as modern, democratic, and timeless. The catalog, for decades, the annual catalog was the most printed book in the world, a piece of marketing that also served as a dream catalog for millions of homes. Quirky Swedishness, the product names, like Billy, Pio with Diarisasenji, Klippen, and the in-store Swedish food market create a unique and memorable identity that feels authentic and charming. 5. Global strategy with local adaptation. IKEA found a brilliant formula for global expansion. Standardized core, the fundamental business model, flat pack, self-service, democratic design, remains the same everywhere. Localized tweaks, they expertly adapt to local markets. For example, USA, larger glasses, for free refills, bigger beds, king size, and deeper sofas. China, showrooms were initially redesigned to show smaller apartments, as the sprawling European layouts were unfamiliar. They also emphasized durability for multi-generational homes. Middle East, showrooms are often segregated for families and single men, respecting local customs. 6. Clever market positioning. IKEA doesn't compete with high-end furniture makers or the cheapest disposable furniture. It dominates a sweet spot in the middle, targeting a specific, global customer. The many people, their vision is to create a better everyday life for the many people. This target audience, young people, students, young families, is price conscious but has design aspirations. They are starting out and need to furnish their first homes affordably. IKEA grows with them as their needs change. 7. The secret sauce. IKEA's secret is a self-reinforcing cycle. Democratic design mandates a low price. A low price is achieved through flat packing and a hyper-efficient supply chain. Flat packing creates a unique in-store experience that relies on customer self-service and assembly. This assembly triggers the IKEA effect, increasing customer satisfaction and perceived value. This entire system is wrapped in a consistent, Swedish brand that is globally adapted, making it feel both universal and personal.